talking about food and drinks are an important part of our daily life. We need them to live, but we also enjoy them with family and friends. Talking about food is a common topic in everyday conversations. There are many types of food. Some people like traditional dishes from their own country, while others enjoy trying food from different cultures. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Many people eat bread, eggs, or cereal in the morning. Some drink coffee or tea, too. Start their day. Lunch is often the main meal in many countries. It can include rice, pasta, meat, or vegetables. Some people eat lunch at home, while others eat at work or school. Dinner is usually in the evening. In some cultures, it is a light meal, and in others, it is a big family gathering. Snacks are small meals we eat between main meals. They can be healthy, like fruit and nuts, or less healthy, like chips and sweets. Drinks are also an important part of our diet. Water is the healthiest drink, and we need it every day. Other drinks include juice, milk, tea, coffee, and soft drinks. Some people like hot drinks, especially in winter, while others prefer cold drinks in summer. When we talk about food, we often use adjectives to describe taste. For example, sweet, salty, sour, spicy, and bitter. We can also describe texture. For example, Italy is famous for pizza and pasta, Japan for sushi, and India for spicy. Curry. Talking about food is also talking about culture. Recipes and cooking styles tell us a lot about people's traditions. Many people enjoy cooking at home. They can choose fresh ingredients and make meals the way they like. Others prefer eating in restaurants because it saves time and offers many choices. Fast food is popular because it is quick and cheap, but it is not always healthy. Healthy eating means having a balanced diet with vegetables, fruits, proteins, and whole grains. Some people have special diets. For example, vegetarians do not eat meat, and vegans avoid all animal products. We can also talk about food preferences. For example, I like spicy food, or I don't like seafood. When we order food in a restaurant, we can say, I would like a salad, please, or can I have a cup of tea? It is polite to say please when ordering and thank you when you receive your food. In cafes, people often order coffee, tea, sandwiches, or cakes. Special occasions often include special food. For example, birthdays have cakes, and holidays have traditional dishes. Drinks can also be part of celebrations, like juice for kids and tea or coffee for adults. In some countries, street food is very popular. You can find small stalls selling tasty and cheap snacks. Trying new food can be exciting. You might find something you really enjoy. Some people like cooking shows or food blogs to get new recipe ideas. Talking about food is also a way to make friends. Sharing a meal brings people closer. We can also talk about healthy habits, like drinking enough water and avoiding too much sugar. Sometimes people need to avoid certain foods because of allergies, like peanuts or dairy. Food markets are great places to find fresh vegetables, fruits, meat, and fish when traveling. Many people like to taste the local food to experience the culture. Learning food vocabulary in English is useful for shopping, traveling, and eating out. We can ask questions like, "What's your favorite food?" Or "Do you like spicy dishes?" Talking about drinks is similar. We can ask, "Do you take sugar in your tea?" Or "Would you like some juice?" Different times of day have different drinks. For example, many people drink coffee in the morning and herbal tea at night. Some drinks are healthy, like water and milk, while others, like soft drinks, should be limited. Food and drinks also have a social meaning. Inviting someone for coffee or dinner is a friendly gesture in English. There are many expressions about food, like "full of beans" or "spill the tea," which have special meanings. When talking about food, we can also describe the smell, like fresh, delicious, or strong. Cooking together can be fun. Families and friends can share recipes and prepare meals as a group. Food festivals are popular events where people try many dishes and drinks in one place. In the end, food and drinks are more than just things we consume. They are part of our identity, culture, and relationships.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.